Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade guys. If you have any of those two vehicles guys and you have a 2.4 liter multi-air engine, which is the most popular engine used in both of these cars, we will explain how to fix any of the following three codes. I'm talking about code P2310, P2311 or code P2312 guys. All these codes relate to ignition coil, but we'll explain what else it could be. So make sure guys you stay until the end. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Now you can see the engine is out of the car simply because we did an engine replacement guys. We made about 100 videos how to rebuild that engine, how to replace every component on that engine. And with the engine being out, we could show you with a great detail how to do that. Number two guys, we're in the process of making about 100 videos for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video. Now let me show you guys. Okay, this is the engine. Many of you constantly guys ask us in the comment section below, okay, where do we get all the tools and parts from, okay, and what scanner we recommend. So we will cover that as we go. Those are all our channels guys. Check them out if you need help with something. How to repair guys is growing super crazy and we're getting really good feedback there, helping quite a bit of people. I think we helped probably 60 million people so far according to the views guys. Now right here, this is your engine guys. This is the scanner that we have. I want to discuss this very quickly, what we recommend guys. This is the scanner that we use the most due to the fact that it supports every American car, every almost European car guys, and it supports all Asian cars as well. I love it because it's affordable. It can pay itself off in one-time use. You can scan every system in your car, read the lead codes from every system and see live data. So link will be shared in the description of the video below. If you're on the market for a new scanner, check it out guys. Definitely worth the investment in my opinion, especially if you have more than one vehicle. Okay, why to go to the dealership when you can learn how to fix your car on your own and save a ton of money guys. So you will have your engine cover on top guys. You will need to remove it. Yours will be black, we just painted ours white. Grab it with two hands and pull it straight up guys. Once you pull it out, okay, you're going to notice that you have ignition coils, but you can see only the coils for cylinder number 1 and 2. You will need to remove your air duct right here, intake air duct, in order to get to cylinder number 3 and 4. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace all ignition coils, so check it out for detailed information. I have everything pre-loosened here so I don't waste your time guys. Now, right here, this is it guys. Okay, you can see this is you can see cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number 1 is on the very left side, number 4 is on the right side. This is where your problem is guys. Ignition coil on cylinder number 4. Things to look for: loose wiring harness, make sure it's plugged all the way in, make sure that this red thing is pushed in. This is a safety feature that prevents the wiring harness from coming loose. Now the only way to remove it, okay, is to push the red thing back, press down, okay, and disconnect the wiring harness. Inspect the wires guys, make sure they're not eaten by a rodent, mice, something like that. We had that happen in the past. And if you don't have loose wire, loose connector guys, broken wire, most likely that's your problem, the ignition coil itself. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace one, so definitely guys I would recommend to check it out. Not too complicated. And if you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.